Hello? Hello? Is someone there? Ah, there we go. Greetings, everyone. Thank you, as always, for stopping by. Hopefully your week has been going good so far. Actually, these videos usually drop on Sundays. So do we consider Sunday the beginning of the week as opposed to Monday? Either way, hopefully you have been good. I want to send a special thank you to all the new subscribers. We have new people watching the videos. That is really cool, and I do thank you for that. It's weird on YouTube because sometimes I get the notification stating that I have a new subscriber, but other times the total amount just goes up, but they don't tell you who is subscribing. So leave me a comment. Let me know when you subscribe to the channel, what made you subscribe to the channel, and that way I can reach out and say what's up to you. All right, today we are reviewing the New Balance Jaden Smith Vision Racer Black Pink. I was really excited for this release. On January 29th, this came as a dual drop from New Balance. Of course, you had this, your black pink, and there was also a white pink, kind of like an alternate universe kind of thing, alternate dimension, since we're talking about Jaden Smith. If any of you are familiar with Pokemon, these make me think of evolutions for Eevee. That is a dog Pokemon, and you rub it with special stones and it evolves into whatever that stone is. So if it was like a fire stone, all right, I'm talking way too much about this, but let's just say it was like a black stone, you would get this shoe, and then you had like the white stone and you get the white pink. But yeah, let's look over the features of the New Balance Vision Racer Black Pink. Immediately we spot a big difference with the black pink colorway. The base of the sneaker is usually a fine knit that extends around the shoe, but on this colorway you have synthetic leather going all the way around. It seems like some really good leather too, because I was doing some Michael Jackson toe stands in this, and there's absolutely no sign of creasing. Also, it smells really good. Now, maybe this is dependent on where you order the sneaker from. I ordered this directly from New Balance on January 29th, and the leather smells really good. You do have these overlays extending around the bottom of the base of the sneaker. It almost looks like black camouflage. And at the top of that lining, you can see the words Vision Racer all the way around the shoe. Maybe it's just me, but the toe area on the black pink colorway feels a little softer than the other releases. Pressing in on the toe of those other colorways, there's a little bit more resistance, whereas with the black pink, it feels like my fingers just sink in. The tongue on the Vision Racer is very soft. It's a very thin layer that just lays across the front of your foot. You have a beautiful lacing system going on with this backpack strap stretching across the front. And right at the top of that, you do have more of that Vision Racer branding. This sneaker also comes with a pink set of laces, and I actually think these would look a lot better than the default black laces that are in the shoe. On the back of the sneaker, you have that NB. You can hardly even tell it's there unless you see that shine because it is black on black. But when the light hits it, you can see a little bit of reflection on the NB. Great, great, great. Now, a huge feature of the New Balance Vision Racer is this platform midsole. Jaden Smith has been known to wear sneakers in the past with this extended midsole, and they went ahead, threw it on his signature shoe, and I think it looks really dope, especially with the way that they segment it into 3 different portions here. Now, another change that we see with the New Balance Vision Racer is right here on the sole of the shoe. The sole has always been my favorite portion of the Vision Racer. It used to just say Vision right across the bottom, but now they have extended that to Vision Racer. A small change, but a good change, I think. And you do still have your New Balance logo right there at the bottom as well. The insole of the New Balance Vision Racer is also pretty aesthetically pleasing. You do have all of these recycled materials compounded together to make the insole, and all those colors coming together has a really cool look, I think. Now on the bottom you do have more of that, and then that pink tip. Now that we've seen all the features of the New Balance Vision Racer Black Pink, let's go ahead and throw this on foot and see what these feel like. Now, in terms of sizing for the New Balance Vision Racer, I always go true to size, and I find that that's a perfect fit for me. I wear a US 11, and I buy these in a US 11, and I find that it's a great fit for doing that Michael Jackson toe stand that I mentioned earlier. Maybe if you have a wider foot, you may want to extend up half a size, maybe even a full size. So even with the leather additions to the New Balance Vision Racer, still a very sleek fit. Because of that midsole, I think it looks a lot heavier than it actually feels once you put them on. Overall, still a great feel to this sneaker. I know a lot of people are still very high on the original, the wavy baby blue colorway, but I will come out and say it, the black pink is now my favorite colorway for the New Balance Vision Racer. I've been waiting for Jaden Smith and New Balance to release a pinkish colorway with this, and even though pink is just an accent on this shoe, I think it's a very good accent. Of course, they do include that pink lacing, and these have the ability to not only look subtle when you want them to, but they can really pop and bring your outfit to the next level. This is like the first black colorway for the Vision Racer, and I think black is a good base for this shoe. A lot of ways to play around with it. We've seen the bright colorways, and maybe New Balance gives us more black, more dark colorways moving forward. So yeah, I declared the black pink as my new favorite colorway of the New Balance Vision Racer. I'd love to hear from you guys. With these additions, the black pink and the white pink, what is your current favorite colorway for the Vision Racer? But yeah, things are looking great for the New Balance Vision Racer. Very excited for the colorways that are to come. Ooh. So that is all on the New Balance Vision Racer Black Pink. As always, thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel. Remember to subscribe, like, and if you made it to this point in the video, in the comment section, let me know your favorite Jaden Smith song. Maybe you don't know any Jaden Smith songs, then let me know your favorite Will Smith song in the comment section below. Again, thank you guys so much for your time. There's more videos to come. Remember to share these videos with your grandparents, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.